What is going on, guys? Back with an update on the Robinhood app. As you can see, currently sitting at 45,844 as we are in the green today, up 361. After hours still looking nice, $25. For the past week, we're up $314. The past month here, we're up 7.76%. For the last 3 months, we're up 9.55. Within the last 12 months, we're up 26%. Nothing to complain about that number here. And then for the all-time high, we're up 34%. So I will say that I sold about $1,200 worth of a stock that I will talk about a little bit later on. But as you can see, for that buying power, we're left with $245. I did add a new stock that I've been wanting to get into, and with the dip that we've been seeing, I capitalized on that, and I bought another 2 shares of another stock that I currently own. So kind of just building off of trying to build that position up even more. So let's just dive on in here and see what's been going on. First on the list here, we have Apple. Haven't bought any more Apple, just kind of been enjoying the ride here. Do have 36 shares. Total return here is 51%. Next here we have Microsoft. Do have a dividend that is currently pending, 8.72, and that is for the 14 shares that I have. They actually just increased their dividend. Now they're currently paying out 62 cents. And total return here, as you can see, 58%. Next here we have Google, 1.62 shares. Total return is 27%. Haven't bought any more Google. Just kind of been chilling, you know. Google's expensive. Google's expensive, no lie. Just like this next stock here, Amazon. Amazon's expensive. I do have 0.999. I'm just going to say I have 1 share here. Do have the 1 share of Amazon. Total return there is 8.56%. Next is Facebook. Been wanting to get more of Facebook, and I thought about it when it was down here, and I really thought it was going to go under 330, but it didn't. It tricked me. So anyways, 15 shares is what we're looking at here. If it dips down, hey, I'm ready. Total return is 12.96%. Tesla here, we do have 4 shares. Total return is 48%. Next here we have Nvidia. Again, just like Facebook, I thought about buying it, and I was like, it's gonna get under 300. It's gonna get under 300. It never got under 300. So it's okay. We're just gonna be patient because it's probably gonna dip down again. When? I don't know, but I will be ready. Do have 12 shares and a whopping 182%. By far the best performing return in the portfolio. Yeah, definitely loving that. Here's the new stock that I've been wanting to get into, and I pulled the trigger and I bought it. As you can see, it's currently at $6.49. I bought just the 1 share because they're a little pricey. Got it at $6.27. So of course I have a return of 3.46%, and yeah, it's been on a downtrend. Let me see here. At one point, let me see, what's the highest? It was 701, and I got it at 6.27. So kind of happy with that, you know, definitely happy with that, I should say. Not kind of, but definitely. So we'll see what happens with this here. Next here we have Adobe. We just have the 1 share. Total return here is 17.73%. Visa, I've been kind of buying Visa, you know, a little bit here, a little bit there. I wish I would have bought it again in the 190s, but hey, it's all good here. Do have a dividend that is pending, as you can see, $4.13. I also have 13 shares, but that amount of dividend, how many is that for? That's for 11 shares. So next go around, of course, the amount will be a little bit more since I have more shares. Total return here, not looking good, but it's okay though. It is okay because it's been on a deep downtrend. And if it dips down again under 200, I will plan and will buy another share or 2, you know. Would love to get to that 15 mark here as far as the total amount of shares. What I did buy, though, I bought an additional share of MasterCard. Now I have 3 shares, and total return here, I was in the negative, to be honest with you, at one point. But, yeah, now we're looking green. So up $3.27. And just like Visa, it's been, yeah, at one point we're at 369, and, yeah, it's steeped down significantly to the 320s, but just going to be patient with them. Etsy, we got next here. Do have just the one share, 81% is what we're looking at as far as total returns. McDonald's, 9 shares there, up 20%, and haven't bought any more McDonald's. And just kind of waiting for it to dip down. If it can get down to like about the 245, I'm all in. I'm all in. Next here we have Johnson & Johnson. I did buy an additional share of Johnson & Johnson a few days ago. Let's see here. So we have a dividend that is pending. That's for $16 here for 15.48 shares. Let me take a look here. Yeah, I got 16 shares now. But yeah, always like to get to that round number if I could anyway, at least to the total amount of shares. And we're in the red, but hey, it's okay. They've been on a downtrend as well too. So just kind of been capitalizing and, trying to lower the average cost here, which I did. But yeah, definitely love me some Johnson & Johnson. Also love Pepsi as well. Do have 13.25 shares. Total return here is 14.65%. Also going to be adding to the Pepsi, but not at these prices. If it can get under 160, I'm good. Here's the stock that I sold $1,200 worth. I don't know how many shares that was, but I'm left with 30. Total return here is $13, and I was just using this as a savings account. Just waiting for a nice little dip and was ready to sell some of the stock to kind of deploy, and I'll continue to keep that same strategy as far as, just adding money into this, collect that dividends if I'm able to before I sell it again. And but that's pretty much, that's pretty much it as far as the portfolio goes. It's been a nice 12 months of investing. Of course, I just started investing last year in about April. So this is really fun. It's exciting. It's motivating. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's continue to grow our portfolios. Thanks, guys.